In the landmark 1869 Supreme Court case Texas v. White, the court ruled that Texas had never legally seceded from the Union during the Civil War. Chief Justice Salmon P. Chase, writing for the 5-3 majority, declared that the Constitution does not permit states to unilaterally secede, and that all acts of secession are absolutely null. The case arose from a dispute over U.S. bonds owned by Texas before the war. The Reconstruction government of Texas sued to reclaim the bonds, which had been sold by the Confederate state legislature during the war. In deciding the case, the court had to determine whether Texas was still a state and had standing to sue. The majority ruled that Texas had remained a state despite its secession, and that the ordinances of secession were absolutely null. Chase argued that the Union was indestructible and that the Constitution did not allow states to leave it. The dissenting justices, led by Robert Greer, argued that Texas had effectively left the Union and that its statehood was a political question for Congress, not the courts. The Texas v. White decision affirmed the federal government's power to preserve the Union, even at the cost of state sovereignty. It remains a landmark case in the ongoing debate over federalism and the nature of the Union.